here we have the POSATE white plastic knives, heavyweight in a 100-pack. Now we all know, we've been to those parties and those barbecues where the plastic knives do not do the job for the food that is served. It's a uncomfortable struggle while you're probably holding your plate and you're just begging these knives to cut something. But these knives are very strong and they're made for meat. Because they're made out of heavy material, this is all disposable and is break resistant. The curved serrations make it easy to cut through food, great for heavier dense foods such as steak, pork chops, and other meats. They're strong enough that you can even wash them and be reused, or you could just dispose of them. Suitable for hot foods because of a heat-resistant material. They are white, harmless, PPA free, and can be used in foods over 176 degrees. Running at 7.2 inches long and 4.72 grams per knife. It feels smooth to the touch, colorless, odorless, no crumbs. It retains the flavor of the food. Now as you can see, it's strong enough to cut meat, and I used it for this meal. And it's also strong enough to cut through this thick box. I think at your next barbecue or party where you want to use disposable utensils, be the hero and not the zero, and get these knives and your guests will appreciate you.